Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Wednesday the 9th of June. We're going to look at Eurodollar now, which has made some really interesting moves, I think, in the last couple of sessions. We've seen that the move initially started to fall back and then a strong rebound into the close yesterday, formed a bullish outside day candle. And it sort of maintained the recovery momentum. You can see that the momentum indicators above 70 on RSI, still above 80 on stochastics. MACD line is still rising. So the question is the bull run back on track? Well, I think it possibly could be, but it depends on how the Federal Reserve, I think, comes out today. Because there's still a suggestion that the euro is stretched on a near-term basis and we could see a corrective move. And you sort of look at this hourly chart and you say, well, you're less positive than the outlook is less positive than it was. It is a little bit oscillating between sort of 35 up towards 70, so a slight positive bias on RSI, but it's lost this ability that RSI has had to go above 70. MACD lines don't look all that strong either. So you've still got the trend higher, and effectively it got broken on the daily chart, but you'd probably be redrawing that at some stage. And you do still have this sort of tendency to hold on to breakouts, and it just means that 1255, yesterday's low was 1240, so 1240 to 1255 is key support now on Eurodollar. Holding that support, I think it maintains the positive outlook now. But if you lose that support, you'd certainly start to see the market falling over. And effectively, that would also complete a top pattern. But the bulls would be looking for a breakout above 1385. At the moment, they are positioned for it, certainly. And I think the market is sort of edging that way, where I think that you could see a little bit of dollar negativity coming out of this Fed meeting. And certainly that would be the inference of this move at the moment. But it does need a closing breakout above 1385, and that would open 1490. So there is some uncertainty to an extent around Eurodollar, even though it's still trading technically very positive. Just less positive than it previously was, considering the market tested lower and then did rebound higher, but tested lower yesterday. So that's a little concern of mine, and I think the Federal Reserve could well be sort of a bit of a key to the outlook in the near term here. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.